Alright, this is Justin here in downtown Fort Worth. Filming here at a construction site. A lot of debris here. Open gates. Not very secured. It's covered with a piece of plywood. I think they're actually building a extension to the hospital district. So in a few years they'll have some more hospitals, which is nice. But I think they probably do a lot better job at securing and make sure nobody gets in there and hurts themselves. Trucks. They've done a lot of job down here so far excavating this corner intersection. Sign says do not enter, eye protection required, but as you can see it's not very difficult to actually get inside, looks like.